Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to do a quick review on the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer. I did get mine in the lowest shade. This is Fair 1N. I have used this now for probably over a month. I know I used this about like 5 times so far, but I am going to give this a quick review. It is a nice, lightly tinted moisturizer. It does feel good on the skin. Here's the tube so far. You guys can kind of see how much I have used. You do get a pump, don't mind me. I got it dirty already. It's just what I do. But this is what it looks like. I will say, out of all the, so far, the stick foundation and the regular liquid foundation, I will say I like this one the best. The only thing with this, and I don't know why, it does have hyaluronic acid in it, which I love. Coconut water, I love that for the skin. But sometimes, I realized 3 of the times I'm using this, it broke me out on my chin, but the last 2 times I used it, it didn't. So I'm not sure if it was like a weird combination I was doing with primers or whatnot, because the last few times, nothing happened. I am wearing this on my skin right now. I did set it with a powder because if not, it's too glowy for my liking. And I know it's a tinted moisturizer, but I don't like too much of a glow. So I did set it with just the Wet n Wild powder. So in case you guys are wondering, but it is what I have on now. To me, I don't have too much to cover up, so it covers nicely for me without it looking cakey or gross. This is a very easy to wear makeup, easy to blend, all that. You could just really put it on and blend it out. Very simple. It's you know, very easy to blend out. It's just nothing to it. If you're more new to makeup, I would definitely say give this a shot. There's lots of colors, which is great. This actually matches me. I never can find a tinted moisturizer that ever matches me because they're always like really orange or yellow. This is actually wonderful. I'm happy to see that the last 2 times I used it I didn't break out, because at first I thought this was breaking me out. Only on the chin I would just get a few bumps, but yeah, so then it didn't the last 2 times, so I'm going to keep you guys updated, and hopefully it doesn't again. I have it on, so we will find out. But yeah, so this is what I've been using. I really do like it. I think so far it's 2 thumbs up. It works great. It looks great on the skin. My one friend got it too, and she loves it, and it looks really good on her skin. And she's had no issues with any types of nothing, and it looks great. She's used it now for 2 months, like consecutively, like many times, so, and she's loved it. So just as a side note. But yeah, review on this, absolutely wonderful. I think out of all their like face products, I do like this type of foundation tinted moisturizer the best. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.